SBL Tripathi, Associate Professor, Department of Physics, Government College, Degana. Today I want to teach BSc Part 3rd class about the quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics, the first important principle of quantum mechanics is limitations of quantum mechanics. Limitations of classical mechanics. My dear students, what are limitations of classical mechanics? As Newtonian tell before in 1639 when Newton was died, Galileo was died, Newton was born at that time, and at that time it was a sudden event that Galileo's first law of motion became the first law of Newton. But now, quantum mechanics, if a particle is moving with velocity of light, then classical mechanics doesn't hold good. Classical mechanics is only applicable when a particle is moving at a smaller velocity. If it is moving with nearby the velocity of light and sometimes like that, then the basic laws of physics doesn't remain in inertial frame of reference. In quantum mechanics, Heisenberg uncertainty principle. What is Heisenberg uncertainty principle? In 1927, Professor Heisenberg gave important Francis scientist de Broglie gave a hypothesis in 1920 and 1927 that if a wave is propagating energy in the form of wave packet or energy in the form of particle nature. When particle nature appears, wave nature could not appear. When wave nature appears, particle nature could not appear. It means that sometimes the particle behave like wave and sometimes the energy in type of move particle and sometimes in waves. Delta x dot delta px is greater or equal to h cross. Delta e dot delta et is greater or equal to h cross. What is h cross? H cross is equal to h upon 2 pi. What is h? H is known as Planck constant. Its value is 6.624 into 10 raised to the power minus 34 joule into second. So these all things you should claim. And another aspect of the quantum mechanics, basic fundamental meaning, Schrodinger equations, Schrodinger time dependent equation, Schrodinger time independent equation. If E psi is equal to H psi. What is H? H is Hamiltonian. Total energy function. H, what is H? H is the total energy function. And what is E? E is the energy eigenvalues. E is equal to iota H cross del upon del T. And H is nothing but this is the total energy. So iota H cross del psi upon del T is equal to minus P square by 2m plus E psi. And P is nothing but the momentum, it is equal to iota H cross del. So this is the basic concept of quantum mechanics. More principles of quantum mechanics are Compton effect, pair production, and relativistic particles, and the recent phenomena of mathematical physics that we could not consider. We can consider the fourth dimensions also. The previous theory it has been failed that there are three-dimensional phenomena. Now there are four-dimensional phenomena. x1 is equal to x, x2 is equal to y, x3 is equal to z, x4 is equal to iota ct. And what is iota c? If we multiply time t in meter per second, then iota c gives it in the meter. So the x1, x2, x3 and x4, these all four dimensions, with the help of the all four dimensions, we can tell about the present, past or future. Light cone, world line, macro causality. These are the important aspects of the space-like time interval, time-like time interval, space-time interval, and light cone. These are important phenomena which you should see in the books of quantum mechanics. Okay.